If you've got $1,000 sitting in your account and you're not sure what to do with it, instead of buying a new Gucci belt or that new monster dildo for your girl, watching this video could turn that $1,000 into millions. But I'm going to need just a few minutes of your time, so stay with me and we can make this happen. Lock in. $1,000 might not sound like life-changing money, but it absolutely can be if you use it the right way. The truth is, $1,000 isn't going to make you rich overnight, but what you do with that $1,000 can set off a chain of decisions that lead to something way bigger down the line. So, let's talk about what to actually do with it. Forget about Class A drugs. Here's the plan. Split it into 4 parts. 4 simple buckets, each one with a purpose. You don't need to overcomplicate this. Just follow through, and you'll be in a better financial position than most people around you. First bucket, $200 into an emergency fund. This is not exciting, but it's necessary. Life throws stuff at you. Flat tires, surprise bills, your wife threatening to take half of everything after a rough argument, last-minute expenses. Without a safety net, even a small problem can turn into a financial crisis. This money goes into a high-yield savings account or anywhere safe and accessible. It's not there to grow, it's there to protect you. Second bucket, $300 goes straight into investing. Don't worry, you don't have to be an expert. I'm not talking about day trading or chasing crypto spikes. I'm talking about steady, long-term investing. Put this into a low-cost index fund, something like a VOO or SPY. These track the biggest companies in the market. You're not betting on one stock, you're betting on the whole economy. It's a long game, but it works. If you're young, even better. Time is on your side and compound growth is real. Third bucket, $300 into yourself. This is the highest return investment you'll ever make. Learn a skill, buy a course, read books that actually teach you how to earn more. Anything that improves your ability to make money or solve problems. That's worth way more than whatever's trending on Amazon right now. The people who earn the most are usually the ones who never stop learning, so don't just spend money, build with it. And the last $200, use it to start something. This is your seed money. Test out a side hustle, try a business idea. Maybe you've wanted to start a YouTube channel. Grab a mic or some basic gear. Maybe you've got a production idea. Build a prototype, run some ads, put it out there. You don't need a full business plan. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Action beats perfection every time. Now, here's the thing. These numbers aren't magic. You could tweak them. Go 250 here, 150 there. That's fine. What matters more is why you're doing it. You're setting a system in place, a strategy. You're taking control of your money instead of letting it sit, or worse, letting it disappear without a trace. Too many people blow their extra money on stuff that feels good for 5 minutes and does nothing for their future. A night out, a new gadget, clothes they'll wear twice. And look, treating yourself is fine, but if you're serious about building something long-term, your priorities have to reflect that. This plan isn't sexy, like your mother in lingerie. It's not going to get you rich tomorrow, but it's real and it works because it builds habits, it builds momentum, and over time, that momentum turns into something powerful. Think about it. If you do this once with $1,000, you'll feel good. But what if you do it every time you get a little extra cash? What if you make investing, learning, and creating part of your normal routine? That's how wealth is built. Not in one giant leap, but in a series of small, smart moves stacked on top of each other. You don't need to wait until you have more money. You don't need to be some finance guru. You just need to start making intentional decisions. That's it. So, if you've got $1,000 and you're still wondering what to do with it, do this. Build your safety net, start investing, learn something new, create something of your own. Simple, strategic, effective. Because in the end, it's not about the $1,000. It's about building a mindset and a system that can handle 10,000 or 100,000 or more. It starts here, it starts now, and it starts with that first $1,000.